Oh, no way. Ah, that's crazy. We just hit we we just hit oh, the blue following Kakano. Hey, thank you for following. I appreciate your viewership and your support. And we'll get to the bottom of this, right? We'll figure this out. Um, so um, oh, hey, Brazil, how's it going? Hello to Brazil. I hail from Boston, right near Boston, just outside Boston, that area. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. Isn't the internet great? It's like we're all here, right in the same place, but like, nope, we're like all over the freaking place. I'm like TTK. Oof. Yeah, we got some distance between us, but only geographically. Sorry, that's sounding so corny. Uh, what are we checking? So if oh well, all right. So it could be worse, I guess. So if grounds I not equal null, and what is this? It's like oh wow, yeah, look at this. Whoa, I should do a map sometime. So we could like put our pins on the map or something. Cause man, look at us. I wonder if anyone lives near each other, or if we're like all just from like crazy different places, like from all over the place. So yeah, does anyone live near anyone else, or like in the same country even, or like I don't know, in like the same relative geographic area? We have Brazil and Argentina. Is that the closest? Or I don't know. But actually, I don't know if Brazil and Argentina are closer or further than. Oh, hey, look at that! All right, we got we got one. Yeah, I was gonna say I don't know the difference between. I'm really bad at geography, so I don't know which is further, Brazil and Argentina or Russia and Norway. Oh, we have two people from Brazil, so all right. So yeah, we're not literally scattered to the wind. Ooh, the thing. Anders. Yeah, thank you again for tuning in. Oh wait, no, if I keep talking to you, the stream delay, it would take forever to get there. So you're probably gone by now, but yeah, thank you for tuning in. Okay, cool. Whoa. I bet, I bet Brazil and Brazil are almost touching even. 7-1. So a lot of things are near Brazil. Oh yeah, right. Oh yeah, that's the big one, right? Like it takes up like that whole chunk down there, like that whole. I'm bad at geography. Whoa. I don't. You're all special in your own special ways. Oh hey. You are all unique snowflakes with strengths and special qualities that make you just wonderful, wonderful people, wonderful nations, all of you. We already have those folders open, so we can pop over here. Pop back to Unity, and hey, where are you? Up here. Ah, look at that. So scale. Last time we just put it to 1, and it worked out okay. Or 1, not 0. How do we keep doing that? Not 10 either. Oh wait, no? Is that working? Oh no, I just haven't put it in the scene yet. Derp. All right. Cool. Spin around. Alright, look at this. We got some duders going on. Sorry, I have to take another brief moment of silence. I'm sorry, you guys. Hey, we got a new follower. Middle Game, thank you for following. I appreciate your support and your viewership. Thank you, Let It Man. Oh, more followers! Meow! I hope that's how your name is pronounced. I'm sorry if I mispronounced. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your support and your viewership. I mispronounce a lot of things, so if anyone wants to hear me mispronounce something, feel free to request it in chat. I take requests. Yeah, it's maybe this will just be one of those like great unsolved mysteries. It's like there'll be theories on there'll be like theories in either direction, but no one will know for sure either way. I don't know. I get an interesting vibe from oops, is that the it's the same one. I just looked at the sketch again. It's still amazing, you guys. In case you were worried it got less amazing somehow. Frictional games. Who's Frictional Games? Oh yeah. Yeah, they make him. Oh. Sorry, did I put my face too close to the camera? Oops, sorry. Oh, cool. I like that name, Meow. Oh, King Lat. Hey, so yeah, we fixed the bug. We got some new art assets going on. We got our windmill. We got some townsfolk. We have a we have the civilian and we have the worker. And we're wearing pants now. I mean, technically, I guess, yeah. No, we're wearing pants now. That's all. That's it. That's what's up. That seems fairly conclusive. I don't know. Yeah, so what are we doing? Oh, right, alright, so the game is pretty simplistic so far. Basically, all you can do so far is that there's like a little town area, and then there's lava. The thing we're going to set up now is so that you can't walk on the lava. Right now, you can walk on the lava. And when you leave your town, like when we were in town, it didn't cost us any energy to move, but as soon as you leave town, your energy starts depleting. If you run out of energy, you get sent back to town. So it's going to be like a roguelike where you're basically on an island in a field of lava, and you have to venture out to collect resources in order to survive. The theme of the game is survival. You might not be able to see it under with all that stuff, but like the theme of the game is survival! Exclamation point! Exclamation point! Exclamation point! And you also, when you're out there, you rescue people to build a little society on this island. And as you build the society, like your little piece of the rock gets bigger. So it's about survival and about rebuilding society is kind of what it's about. Sorry, the other thing is that I'm a little bit ill, so I apologize. I'm not working at 100% capacity here, so I appreciate everyone for bearing with me. No, you're definitely right. I do that a lot. Thank you. Laughter's good, right? Laughter's what it's good for the heart or something. I don't know. It's cool stuff. Laughter is. Oh no, Tom Peach. Here, this is me giving you a hug through the internet. Internet hug. Oh, look, hug. Yay. I'm sorry you're not feeling well, Tom Peach. Yeah, you said you wanted to talk after the stream, and we can definitely do that. So, yeah, hang in there. Oh yeah, so yeah, I was thinking that the energy wouldn't be so much about penalty as like kind of like a way to so I was thinking like the So yeah, so the reason that energy is important is that like the further you get outside of the city, the better resources you find and like the more rewards you can find. But in order to get to those, you have to use your resources very frugally because for one thing, the ground will be literally shifting underneath your feet. So you have to kind of like figure out like, you know, how the lava is flowing, and you have to make the right move in order to get to where you're going. And then also there will be fires that will also pose obstacles, and so you kind of have to figure out like when to put out fires and when to like avoid fires and that sort of thing. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, could you guys stop fighting? I need Kirkano and Light Up Man, I need you to both stop fighting, because if you can't both stop fighting, then I have to, I don't know, I might have to moderate both of you, which would be unfun. So, that's important, please. I'm Dada. Is that your form of hacking? You just ask politely for an IP. Excuse me. So yeah, I'm gonna give it stream delay so that you guys can hear what I said about please stop fighting, and then at a certain point, it's just gonna be okay. So I'm taking your word that you stopped. The next things you guys say have to be good things. So just that's the warning, and then cool. Hey, CB1414. Hey, Beagleface to you as well. Thanks for tuning in. My Twitch was like freaking out earlier, but I saw that you were streaming earlier, and I wanted to tune in. But I was getting this weird error where just like nothing would load. It was weird. I don't know what that was about. That's technically that's like, all right. People are really good at like getting really close to the line. It's so like, yeah, like I said, please don't feed the trolls. Like if people are close to the line or over the line, there are consequences for that. But yeah, I was just gonna say, people are really good at like landing right on the line. Like it's like they know where the line is, and they're like, I'm gonna stand right on it to make Binri as uncomfortable as possible, and make him have to debate whether to use his moderator tools or not. But all right, so yeah, we were doing the ground thing. Uh-oh. That line's going to move up the next time someone says something in chat, and so technically the next thing someone says will be over the line. By definition. Oh no! Light Up Man! I'm just kidding. I'm not. But yeah. No, that is the definition of positive contributions to chat. This is we should all strive to be so awesome. So thank you guys. Yeah, this is what it's all about. This is what we're here for. Oh, sorry, Kirkano. All right. Well, like I said, like you're good. Just keep it. Yeah, not combatant, and and we'll all live happily. For example, man. All right, so I think part of the reason I'm dragging my feet right now is because, as I've said a million times over, that is amazing, M. Dada. I really hope you're being serious. Yay! You guys are great. Oh yeah, one of the ideas. Well, it wasn't actually an idea for the theme of this jam, but when we were coming up with ideas for the theme of the jam, thank you, TTK. Yeah, when we were coming up with ideas for the theme for the jam, someone said, vote unity or die, because we were voting on like what what tools to use for the project, and I I was just reminded of it because like this whole like forced friendliness, like it's weird, and like I was just really taken by the concept of vote unity or die, like not thinking of unity in terms of like the development software, but thinking of as unity as the concept. Then yeah, I don't know, that just amused me, and I was just reminded of it because of this. Excuse me. Sorry. Alright, so now to the thing that I'm going to immediately decide to dislike. So grounds, I dot, wait, how do we even do this? Scale is, scale, yeah, so it starts at 1, so scale, we'll have to think, I think half scale. Yeah, it'll be half scale. Will be one important thing. What did we look at? Is this the same doc, the collaborative document that we're working on? Yeah. All right. So oh, the issue I'm having is that I'm ill, and so I'm working really slowly. So, but I apologize. Okay, so let's get something to happen. Grounds dot transform dot. So wait, actually, if sorry, moment of silence. No. Dada, I have no clue what you're doing. But if you're being annoying, which I suspect you might be, I don't appreciate that. Oh, hey, it's Gunna. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, so Dada, I'm putting you on warning. Improve the quality of your contributions to chat. Unless this is like very niche performance art, then yeah, I have to say alright, so alright, yeah, welcome to the channel, Asgana. We're making a game. We're making a collaborative project. So yeah, a lot of people are like submitting art and stuff. People are coming up with ideas for the project. The general theme is written down there in the corner. I don't know if hopefully that's readable. Let me know if it's not. And so yeah, join in the fun. All right, yeah, art, air quotes. I don't know, like horse ebooks is what I keep thinking of whenever people are like bizarre in chat. I'm like, is this just the next horse ebooks? But probably not. So if posx is less than grounds I transform position position dot x there you go, Dada. Saying nice things. Look at you go. So, oh wow, cars. Oh yeah, so the other thing, for contributions to the game, it has to be things that you personally make. It can't be something that you get from like a repository, like an asset pool or something like that. So it's so yeah, if anyone wants to make a cool car, then we can totally add a cool car. We can make it so that the ground is made out of cars instead of rocks if we feel like it. Like, we can do whatever we want. But, yeah. Wait, so plus, transform position x plus half of scale. So, half of local scale x. Dot local, or scale. Local scale, dot x. Yeah. I can give it a shot, Mr. Fada. Coffee cup. Yeah, like that coffee cup might be, maybe that's one of the things that you collect out in the wilderness. The rare and elusive coffee cups. Yeah, I hope Mdata is the world's next horse ebooks. Because he's certainly got the whole non sequitur, I don't understand what he's talking about thing going on. Zip. Oh god, what's happening here? I don't know what to do with this. Oh, is it the FBX? Is that what I'm supposed to... Is that what I'm supposed to take? I've been using FBXs before. Or no, there's tons of stuff? Yeah, I don't know what to do with this. I've never worked with these file types before, so I don't know what to do with them. Please advise. Whoa. Is that a legit thing that you just said, Light It Man? If it came from anyone else, I'd be a bit more concerned, but I don't know, you're usually pretty good about what you say. Sorry, I just have to take a moment of silence. I'm Hey, welcome back, Kinetic, or should I say, I'm gonna mispronounce this, MJ Tao? MJ Tao. Sorry, but welcome back. It's good to see you again. Well, I'll stop looking at it, but yeah, that word is awful, so assuming it was all in good humor, I don't know why I just said that like Yoda. I'll assume that was all in good humor. But that word in general is awful. Oops, I didn't mean to close that. Whatever. Now I'll just close everything in a fit of whatever. Mdata, you've got a very one-track mind. Oh, okay. Well, alright, it's gone now. So, yeah, no hard feelings, Let It Man. What was I, yeah, I'm still doing this thing. Alright. Maybe it won't be so bad. I'm gonna tell myself. Actually, hold on, before I do that. So let's... oh wait, no. Yeah, and. If, and. Yeah, these are ands. Yeah, whatever. Excuse me. Yeah, that's why, oh. Okay. Yeah, better Twitch TV does. So, it just takes a second to kick in. So, alright. MJ Natao. I'm still mispronouncing it. Yeah, better Twitch is better about that. Why Why? So this means we're. Oh, this means we're legit. This means we're good. G2G. Uh. Oh, all right, M. Dada, you're moving back towards the questionable terrain. So, please, I implore you sensitivity, because I really don't like using band tool. I don't like using my moderator tools. Oh, sorry, moment of silence. Sorry about that. Yeah, I mentioned it a few times before, but we're just not going to make. I'm not going to be super productive today, so uh, I will stream a little bit, but a little bit longer. But I'm really sorry, you guys. I'm just not going to. That's cool, M. Dada. Uh, yeah, just I don't know. Follow your heart, trust your instincts, and what will be will be. Um, uh, yeah, I know. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just not going to be very productive today. I just literally can't be. I'm like physiologically speaking, I just can't be productive today. So I apologize because I do try to accomplish more. Uh, but like my options right now are it's just to shut it down or just to be quasi productive, and I don't know. We're not literally accomplishing nothing. We are accomplishing something. So yeah, and it's not even that I need rest per se. It's that like I'll probably stream for a little while long. I'll probably stream for like another hour or so. And again, we're not going to get much done in that hour, but we'll get a little bit done, and hopefully we'll have some fun doing it. So, Tom Beach, yeah. Well, yeah, I'll track you down sometime. Yeah, keep in mind, you know my Twitter handle. So if you want to chat like on Twitter, well, no, I mean I don't do that while I'm on stream. But again, like yeah, anytime you feel like chatting about stuff or just like getting anything off your chest, feel free to hit me up. I hope you're feeling better, and it's good to see you again, and thank you for tuning in. Yeah, yeah, TTK knows what's up. Yeah, the moment of silence is just because you don't want to hear me play the trumpet with my nose. So, uh, uh, make human. Oh. Wait, did we import a model that's not family friendly? Or was it just the software itself? Yeah, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. Normally, I try and keep a higher level of productivity. I don't know. Do you guys get the fuzzy headed feeling when you're not feeling well? Like, do you get like the ambient like everything just seems a little cloudier? So I'm like working through that. I'm taking constant breaks to deal with my aberrant physiology, and the end result is that it's slow going. So for example, like I just have to sneeze again all of a sudden. It's like, ugh, really? Again? Nose? Uh, uh, so I'm keeping an eye on the oh cool. Oh wow. You guys are awesome. Oh, well, some of you guys are awesome. Other you guys are wow. What is wrong with you people? Not you people, but like some people are just ridiculous. So yeah, I'm gonna. Sorry, it was a good idea, but I can't moderate the I can't moderate that document, so I'm actually gonna have to ask you guys to stop posting that document. Uh, because technically, if the document's going to contain offensive things, then I don't want you linking it here. So, thank you for, was it Mr. Cool 909090? Thank you for setting it up. It was a nice idea, but please stop linking it now. I'll have to moderate if it gets linked again. And seriously, grow up, you weirdos. Most of you are fine, but there are a few weirdos, and they have to grow up. So, yeah. Anyways. Oh no, I know that's the worst, TTK. Have you tried jamming? I mean, I guess technically you're jamming right now, but but the thing, like, I mean, the reason I started this jam yesterday is because I was just like, I don't know what to do. I don't feel like doing anything, and so I was like, oh, we'll just start a jam, and here we are. I feel good about what I'm doing, and like normally, if I wasn't distracted, I mean, yeah, so eventually I'll need moderators, but if like this I feel like is an important part. Like what I'm doing in terms of like interacting with you guys, I feel like that's the important part of what I do. And then but it's the constant like tending to my nose. That's the part that I'd rather not have to do. So that's again, we're getting close to the line, M. Dada. I'm guessing it sounds like there's a communication barrier between us, but no, I guess that's fair. You're not the first person to make that comparison. I guess I'm just nervous because of the interesting syntax that you use. I'm concerned that something might come out wrong, but excuse me. Yeah, so if you guys, wait, are you saying I'm a troll, or are you saying TTK is a troll? Oh, M. Dada, right, no, because I was just talking about M. Dada, right, sorry. Context cues. I always have to think back, like, wait, what was I saying 20 seconds ago? Hey, we got a new follower! Mr. Vada, thank you for joining, thank you for tuning in. Yeah, sorry about that. I was just like, yeah. Context cues. Sorry, just 1 second. No, you're like the opposite of a troll. I was just, like, when people were talking about moderators, I was just thinking, like, I bet TTK would be a good moderator. No, yeah, you're the opposite. You're the shining sword of justice. All that is right in the world. Alright, that's the last we saw of Kirkano. Good story, huh? What a tragic fate befell Kirkano. Wait, did I time out or did I real ban? Oh, I guess I timed out. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. So, yeah, so what we're doing here, this is the case where we return false. True. No, wait, no. Oh, so we actually want to do this the other way? Wait. If... Oh, so we want to negate this phrase. Oh, no, wait, no. Yeah, no, wait, no. This means... Yeah, so this is the case where we can return true. Because it means we stepped on solid grounds. I read really fast. I'm pretty good at reading. Yeah, that was what I was picking up on. Is that like TTK? You really like you just from the comments that you're saying in chat. Like it seemed like you were really like picking up on like yeah, like well, for example, I really don't like censorship. So some stuff like slips through because I think I give people leniency, but I do that because like I think if like you see if we have to see like a crude statement here or there, like I'd almost kind of prefer that to like the other one. Like for example, mdata is like clearly trying to like I don't know what he's trying to do, but or she is trying to do. But for example, sorry, like this stuff is hilarious. And like we wouldn't have seen mdata demand amnesty for Kano if we had banned him up front or her up front. So yeah, I just the reason I hold off on appointing moderators is because I don't want to sanitize the stream too much or too aggressively. So the other thing we do is return false. So now we do this when we would move, I guess is the idea. So so case 0 if oh wait, so we have to I guess what do we do here? Yeah, we say bool light up, man. So on point. Yeah, I've had to use my moderator buttons a lot more in the past few days. Such as the price of what I try not to look at the viewer count when I'm streaming, but I looked earlier and it was like 50 viewers and I was like, wow, yeah. I was thrilled about that. Everyone on this planet is a special little unique snowflake, and 50 of them decided to to hang out here. All right, so we're gonna set a bool as oh right, okay, so yeah, I can I think the shortest I can make it is that all right, no, I can do this. Okay, so the game idea in brief. You're stranded on an island in the middle of an ocean of lava. You need to collect resources in order to rebuild your society. You need to venture out into the lava fields in order to collect resources to rebuild your society. That's the short one. And so you can get some details about excuse me, the theme and the genre down in the corner. It's about survival, it's about city building, it's a roguelike, it has an emphasis on character development. So yeah, that's the gist. Oh man, I never check mine, but I leave mine plugged in like all day on a wooden table. Maybe someday my wooden table is just gonna spontaneously combust from the from the heat of the power supply. Sorry, moment of silence for just one moment. That sucks, Light It Man. R.I.P. your couch, but that's a good question, TTK. Yeah, I guess I do tend to call it rebuilding society. Like I don't think of it. I mean, I know the theme is building society, but I do keep calling it rebuilding society. So yeah, maybe something went down. Yeah, maybe something terrible happened, and yeah, I have to say, I think just because of like the nature of how we're approaching this project, I think we have to assume that the art style is going to be a little bit eclectic. So So, gosh, I'm trying to think of a good comparison, but oh, okay. So here's I guess one way to think of the aesthetic. You know when people make collages by like flipping through magazines? Oh gosh, do kids know what magazines are? Magazines are these things that were like they were like blogs, but we printed them on paper. And so then one thing that we would do with these magazines is we would cut out like various shapes and pictures and make like a collage using like a mishmash of like various images and like bright colors and patterns and photographs and stuff like that. Yeah, right. I'm dating myself here, but yeah, I would describe our aesthetic somewhat like a collage, like a magazine collage. Just because like we're no matter what we do, we're gonna have differences like for example, we already have like voxel art and detailed humans, so uh, it's gonna be a little hodgepodgey, but I think we can make it work. I think we just need to make it. I think we need to play up on that aspect, and we need to make it a game about like like different artistic voices that are all kind of like melded together. And like I mean, it's a game about rebuilding society, so maybe that kind of reflects the shattered and reformed nature of this clan of ragtag survivors. Hey, TTK. If your birthday is July 31st, then we're exactly the same age. uh, Are you kidding? You didn't really have to look very hard to find a link to my website. Oh, and you didn't do a very good job because it's still here. Well, better luck next time, M. Dada. Oh, the e-ink that. Paper is like a blank JPEG, but in real life. Um, Whoa! Is that true? Is that a true story? That'd be crazy if it was a true story. Okay. Oh, happy your birthday was relatively recently. Happy your birthday was like 25 days ago. Happy 31st. You whippersnapper. I got several whole months on you. Excuse me. All right, yeah. So we didn't actually finish implementing that thing because we're not gonna have bool moved. So bool moved is gonna start as false. Yeah, bool moved equals false, and then so in each of these cases we're going to yeah, Lavjakovic, go Team 31. Sorry, I have to take a brief moment of silence, I think. Oh no, I went through an entire box of tissues. Sorry, I'll be right back. It's the thought that counts, Light Up Man. You know what? You just you don't go with the grain. You march to the beat of your own drum. You just you have your own style. Everyone else is doing 11s, and you did 12s, or you did 12. So that was uh that's okay, Light Up Man. Cause oh, hey, he's back. Hey, cool! What a happy ending! Yay! Oh, that's delightful. Look at this. This is wonderful. This is why we do what we do for moments like this. Thank you, everyone. Yay! Happy good times, fun. All right, I'll finish doing what I'm doing. I am getting too distracted a little bit. I know, right? But do you guys want to see this the whole time? Like, I'm assuming not. uh, I think I'm probably gonna stream for probably another like 50 minutes or so. I might not make it the whole 50 minutes. If it doesn't get, like, if it stays unfun, then I might have to cut it shorter. But yeah, so right, so I'll do what I can. So if check ground, so all right, so well, no, this is fine. Yeah, so if check ground of the new position oh wait, oh yeah, right, so wait, so no, let's choose a new position. So vector 3 dest equals, all right, hold on, sorry. Oh no. No, that's cool. I like algebra. If you have any questions about algebra, linear algebra is a university course. I don't know if that's what you meant, but yeah, algebra gets hardcore, you guys. Like big algebra gets really cray. It gets, to borrow a phrase, it gets cray is what it gets. I don't know if that's what he's talking about, but yeah, algebra. You start it early, but you start it in the lower grades. But it's like when you fight a mini boss, and then like at the end of the game you have to fight the same boss again. Like the boss comes back, but he's way stronger. Like that's what algebra's like. Why do I keep clicking on the things mdata shares? Why? Why do I keep doing that? Hey, we got a new follower! Hey, I'm Dada! I think the theme of today is like, I don't know, just good fun. If we've had, I'd say we'd have like a little bit more controversy than usual, but also we've had a lot of happy endings, so I like how this is all working out. And oh, I'm Dada. Thank you for following. Thank you for your viewership, and thank you for tuning in. So, alright, so yeah, so what we're going to do here is we're going to make the, my face. my poor dear face. What's happened to you? Alright, so dest is going to equal to, the thing, whatever, and then we're going to check ground at dest. Hey, we got a new follower! Oh, it's really small on my screen. Near L? Thank you for following. Sorry for mispronouncing your name. I appreciate your support and your viewership. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. Sorry, my nose is being unimpressive today. I especially appreciate your viewership and your support today because I'm just not running at full capacity right now. So, yeah. So I apologize to everyone. Kirk Kondo is not wrong. I've been taking forever just to do very simple things, and yeah, I'm sorry about that. So we're not covering as much dev ground as we typically would. We are still doing some. So all right. Thanks, Mdata. Thank you for not attacking, I guess. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, alright, so I'll do what I can. Let's get to it. Let's do it. So if check and destroy, or not destroy, dest. Why did? Oh, because I forgot the. Yeah, if check around dest, then we do two things. We do the translation that we used to do, except now we can just. I mean, we could do that, or we could just say equals dest. Oh. Oh, wait, actually. Yeah, no, so we can do this a different way, actually. We can just say, or wait, no, yeah, if check ground destroy. Wait, no, right, yeah, no. Forget all this part. Forget all this part. Alright, so vector 3. So, vector 3. 3 dest equals, 0, 0, 0, I guess, or new vector. Vector 3, 0, 0, 0. Yes, I don't know. I should probably use a different value than that. Probably use a different value than that. But whatever. Sorry. Sorry. Alright, sorry, I need a new box of tissues. I'm not going anywhere, I just need a new box of tissues. Because my face is the worst. It is, if you guys had to choose any face in the world right now, you would not want to choose this one, trust me. It is severely underperforming. It is just completely underwhelming altogether. Alright, sorry, I have to take a brief moment of silence too. Sorry for the delay. Look at what code? I'm assuming you're talking about my code, and you're calling attention to it because of how amazing it is. Is my seriously? Oh man, you don't want to see the the face charts, the projections for you don't want to see the projections for tomorrow. This and I mean, yeah, actually tomorrow's Halloween, so what better day to get a completely new face than Halloween? Xamarin, that's the thing that I'm not using. Xamarin is what? It's like the new MonoDevelop or something, but no, I'm using the old MonoDevelop. I'm using MonoDevelop. Oops, sorry, TTK. My bad. Oh yeah, right. So what I'm doing here is, yeah. So for the case, we only actually have to do we only have to change the formulation. Wait, what? Oh yeah, right. Okay, so forward right, and then yeah, the other ones are negative. All right, so I'll just do that first, and then minus. All right, so right. So then now after this, we can say if check ground, is that what we called it? Check ground dest. Actually no. I think we need a case, or we need a default. I mean, we don't need a default, but I'd feel more comfortable with a default. If we just printed, nope, something went weird. So at least I know if something went weird. Because hypothetically, this case should never happen. But if this case did happen, then it would screw up the rest of what we're doing. So I want to make sure I know in advance exactly what might be going to happen. There's a game here somewhere. There should be, anyways. I've actually never used Unreal Engine, but part of the reason I'm not super... Yeah, like, well, alright, I'll give a quick example of why I don't tend to look to stuff like Unreal Engine. This is the first game I made recently, in recent history. So, Yeah. So this is the first game I made in recent history. Now here's the second game I made in recent history. Sorry, I'm like trying to play the game with one eye while paying attention to chat with the other eye. So yeah, so that's another game I made in recent history. And here's the third game I made in recent history. So if you've noticed a pattern, it might be that I really don't use good graphics. Like, I don't bother with graphics really. So yeah. So yeah, TTK. You're so smart, TTK. No, it's just, I don't know. You always say exactly what I'm thinking, or like exactly what I'm getting at. Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, I guess just because of that, I've never felt especially obligated to. I don't know. I've also heard like horror stories. Like when I worked in AAA, one of the projects that we did at our company, we were going to use Unreal 4 for it, Unreal Engine 4 or 3 or 4, I forget which one. And like all the engineers at the company, like they all like retracted. Like no one wanted to work on that project because like I don't know, it sounded awful. I guess they made it sound like it was something really terrible. So I don't know what that was about because I never really looked into it. I just took that as a sign that maybe there's something to watch out for there. I like it. I don't know what I'm looking for, but I like it. I can add that to the list of things to check out later. If you'd like a real answer. Oh, sweet. Hey, look at this. So, all right. So one good thing came out of today, right? Like I wasn't productive, but look how productive you guys have been. So like the game is getting better technically. I mean, no, the game's literally getting better, just not for anything I've done really. That's I'm basically taking the day off. I'm the only oh gosh, now sorry, my nose is rebelling. But I'll be right back. All right, yeah, sorry, tomorrow. I'll try the link in just a second. Once I get my nose under control. Well, excuse me. All right, so this is the link. Excuse me. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. Oh yeah. I saved the script for later so that I can actually answer your question because you said you wanted like a critique of it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can take a look over it. I'm just not going to do it right on stream because I'm really slow at reading code because I like to really like internalize it and figure out what all is going on and stuff like that. So is this the thing? Wait, hold on. Oh, do I take the blend file? Is that what I'm looking for? Or do I have to take all of it? Sorry, I've like as we just demonstrated with how my games don't actually have graphics to them. I don't have much experience implementing graphics assets either. So if you could give me what? What? I have no clue where that came from. Oh, that was. Oh, wait, is this? Alright. Well, hey, we got a new follower! The OMG, hey, welcome to the party. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for following. I don't know what that link was about. I mean, I have a hunch as to what that link was a little bit about, but I don't. Anyways, oh, put the whole folder in assets. So like all of this stuff goes into assets, and use the FBX. All right. Okay, yeah, I was thinking it might be something along those lines. Wait, I take literally all of it, because like when the blend file More. Hey, MJ Tao. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for mispronouncing your name, but I very much appreciate your viewership and yeah, thank you for tuning in. So excuse me. Oh yeah. So sorry. Right. Sorry, my nose is being a jerk again. I'll be right back. Moment of silence. Yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, did you make this in Blender? Because I know Unity can import blend files, so I'm just gonna try that one first, and then when that does nothing, because it'll probably do nothing because I'm probably doing it wrong, then I guess I'll do the rest. I just want to check because like if the blend file if the blend file contains everything, exactly DTK. I I'll be lamenting that for some time. Yeah, just in case the blend file actually contain. No, I guess maybe it wouldn't contain the textures. Well, anyways, let's see what it. Excuse me. Let's see what it does. That. All right. So yeah, I guess. All right, whatever. I'll just copy everything over. So everything except the blend file. Then I don't know. Whatever. Wait. Yeah. I already copied it over. So. Alright. And then, oh, wait. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Alright, so wait, no, I need to do this smarter. So instead of doing that, I'll, excuse me. So yeah, wait, where are all those things? Yeah, so instead of doing that, I'm gonna do something different instead. So yeah, instead of that, I just have to be tidier with my with this with how I set up the assets folder, because we're getting a lot of assets at this point. So, oops. Alright, so yeah, get rid of all these. So, alright, so, wait, what is this? I don't know what that means. Excuse me. Yeah, this stream, I'm probably going to have to wrap it up pretty soon, because, I think I'm actually getting worse. I think things are actually getting worse. So, I probably won't. It'll probably get to the point that I'm just constantly like coughing and sneezing, and no one wants to see that. So I'll finish implementing this hut, and then I'll probably clean up that thing that that one thing. We'll have accomplished that one thing today. All right, there we go. Oops, I don't know. I keep closing these. Whatever. All right, so yeah. Now, all right, you said that. All right, yeah. I guess they both work now that we have both of them. Where's the where's the thing? Oh yeah, import scale 1. Hey, all right, that's a little bit big. Scale factor 0.5. 0.25. Yeah, there we go. Alright, wow, this game is looking pretty freaking sweet, huh? Sorry, oh, sorry, my nose. And, yeah, so I'm probably gonna have to wrap it up pretty soon, just to give you guys a heads up. Before I go, I'll kick it over to, we'll find someone else who's streaming, and we can kick it over to them. so that way you're not literally left in a lurch or whatever. Actually, I kind of want it to be at an angle, so let's try 45. Yeah, I like that. And then I'll put it. I'll space these things out better. Yeah. All right. Sorry. I'm gonna attend to my nose for just a moment, and then I'll come back, and then I'll clean up the. Excuse me. I'll finish implementing that logic for the movement thing, and then that might be the most of what we do for the evening. So, yeah, thank you everyone for tuning in, and thank you for bearing with me. I'm sorry for all the frequent interruptions. Yeah, sorry. So, Kirkano, are you asking for my PC specs, or because I can hook you up with those if you're really curious, but I'm not sure if that's what you're asking. Spider-Man, yeah, thank you. So yeah, I won't abandon you just yet, but it's not gonna last much longer. So, for example, right, so because I didn't even finish like this train of thought. So if check background dest, then we are going to do two things. Moved equals yes, or true. My brain has gone too. Moved equals true, and transform.position equals dest. Dest. And so now, I think if we run the title, now we probably can't move onto the lava anymore. Nope. Alright, well, that's fun. So that did nothing. I wonder why that did nothing. You guys. I do have my fresh water bottle, so I've been pretty good about that. Yeah, maybe I'll warm over my tomato juice so that way it'll be tomato soup instead. But yeah, why did that do literally nothing? I guess oh wait. Yeah, so oh yeah. Actually, I guess I don't need moved. I can get rid of moved, and I can just move all of this into the check ground dest, etc., etc. Because oh, it would be all of this, right? It would be literally all of this, I think. Wait, where's this? Right, that's that. So it'd be. Yeah, it'd be all of this. So everything. Wait, right? It includes this stuff, right? Yeah. All of this stuff down to here. No, what is? No, not including that part. It's all of this, right? No, wait, no, it does include that. Oh, wait, so that goes there. Alright, yeah, okay. So yeah, it does include this, okay. Oh, and so it can include this line too, right? Because if we didn't move, then we didn't have to update anything. Alright, we did it. Or we're doing it. Oh yeah, so actually I don't have to move all that. I just have to move, this brace. Or indent all of this stuff. There we go. Alright, so that should work, except that it didn't work before, so it's probably not going to work yet. No, this code's never going to get refactored. This project is only supposed to be a jam project, so it's about bad code and it's about fast and dirty. So, sorry. Oh yeah, people have yeah, PyCharm. I've heard PyCharm before. Uh, Personally, I like Spider, but I've only ever used Spider, so all I can really tell you is that Spider is good enough. I don't know. PyCharm might be better for all I know. Also, Spider is free, so it has that going for it. It comes with the Anaconda distribution, which also comes with some other cool tools. And so yeah, so what the heck? Check ground test. So if grounds not equal null and the position, I probably just did some bad math here. Position x is less than grounds transform position plus grounds. It's less than the position plus etc. It's greater than the position minus whatever. It's less than the position. Oh, is it it's because I'm doing y and not z, right? Is that it? Because I always do that for some reason. I always use y instead of z. Save that. Oh, is it? Yeah, I bet it is. It's getting really sore too. Like it's getting really tender to the touch. Like even if I touch it with tissue paper now, it still feels like painful. So alright, so I'll just I think if this works, then this will be the last thing I do. No. Oh wait, hold on. Look, we're stopping. So for some reason we can go off the thing, but we can't go too far off the thing. So I'm just gonna call that good. I'm gonna come back and I'll figure out the rest of it later. Cause look, now it's almost as if we can't walk on the lava. We can technically walk on the lava, but there's like a limit to the extent to which we can walk on the lava, right? So hey, look at that. How about that? Hey, right? Yeah. So anyways, we're gonna call that good enough. So the last thing we'll do is we'll look for another good streamer, and then we'll kick it in their direction. I just like I don't know. It's one of my favorite things to do. Is that at the end of the stream, I just really enjoy finding someone who's like underappreciated and like underwatched and just bombing them with friends, surprise friends. Yeah, so I do want to stream tomorrow. Yeah, and since I'm actually getting to bed early tonight, like I haven't been to bed early in like a long time. I've been staying up like ridiculously late to like 3 or 2 in the morning.
You're right. I'll finish that.
All right, so we're gonna go to Turkey 2349. I think. Wait, is it turnkey or turkey? It's Turkey. Interesting. Yeah. Turkey 2349. I've only seen this guy once before, but he was really good that day. So hopefully it'll be good today. All right, the thing I have to do is I have to stop talking so that the stream delay, so that you can hear what I say, what I'm wrapping up saying, and then the stream delay, etc., etc. So I'm gonna wrap things up here, and then I'm gonna wait for the stream delay to end, and then everything will work out hopefully. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching. This was like probably like my worst day, I would have to say, just in terms of like sheer like incapability. So it's really astounding that you guys were able to see through that, and that I'm glad that we were able to like. I mean, you guys were great today. You guys were phenomenal today, making the assets and just having a generally good time in chat. So yeah, thank you everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hopefully I'll be in better health soon, so we can get back to like actually accomplishing stuff. Until then, I will bid you a good evening, and then so I guess here's the part where I wait for the stream delay to catch up. So I'm sorry if you hear boring stuff for a little while, because this is boring. Stream delay. what is it? It's like stream delay of like 20 seconds or something like that. So, maybe that. Enter. Whoops. Oh no, it didn't send. There we go. Oh, and I can probably stop streaming now. Yeah.